Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna be doing some DTF, so don't go anywhere. Okay, so Rye, Rye Beats, a lot of you know Rye. He sent me some samples of DTF. Yes, he started doing DTF. He sells DTF transfers. So if you need any DTFs, go ahead and hit him up. I will put his email somewhere in here so you guys can hit him up if you guys need some DTF, embroidery, screen printing, or stickers. He started doing some stickers. Something really cool is going to be happening with Ryan. He's gonna have some really good news in the upcoming days, so make sure you follow him. Okay, so let's open this up and see what he sent. Again, these are DTF. Make sure everything. Here you go. Oh, he just sent my logo. Okay. Well, there you go. There's one logo. Liberty Graphic Designs. Let's see what else is in here. Some instructions. Oh, look at that. Some oxygen killer. So, and the instructions. And he sent a small logo, two small logos. And I did ask him about this little bus, this Volkswagen bus. Kind of like it. No idea what this is. Some ninja, whatever. A sloth. And I don't know what this is. Mom life. Whatever. Hustle. And I can. Oh, and stay gold. Hustle, stay gold. And then this, oh, this one's pretty cool. Never stop the hustle. Nice. So I guess I'm gonna try this one. Obviously, I'm gonna try my logo. But the instructions, let me read the instructions. Set the heat press temperature, cotton blends to 120 degrees. I got mine to 110. Polyester to 260 degrees. So cotton and cotton blends, you wanna do 320 degrees on your press, especially if you have one of those off-brand presses. They tend to, fluctuate a little bit. 2, set heat press pressure to medium. That's exactly what I run mine at, for 25 seconds. Wow, okay, let's crank this one up because I only got it at 15. Press your t-shirt for 10 to 15 seconds to get rid of any moisture or wrinkles. So you want to pre-press before you apply the the DTF transfers. 4, pressing transfers. Press the transfer for 25 seconds. You already said that, dude. Come on. Press again with Teflon or parchment paper for another 10 seconds. So once you press it and you remove the carrier, you have to press it again for another 10 seconds. Hopefully you guys can read that. So make sure you guys follow the instructions, okay? This is a Gildan hammer tee, and hammer tee is 100% cotton. But before I go any farther, I said I was gonna show you my settings. Right now, my press says 308 for 25 seconds. Let me show you real quick. So see that? 308 for 25 seconds. We're gonna press that for a little bit to remove the moisture, which is something that you guys should always do. Okay, so now that we press that, I'm gonna grab, let me see, I think I wanna put my logo, I think I'm gonna put this logo on the front. We're gonna take this little jig right here so we can apply it right. So we can apply it directly in the center. And my logo is kind of weird because my logo, it kind of, I don't know, it's not straight. It's kind of at an angle. Just like that. And I'm not putting Teflon sheet because I already have a Teflon sheet on my press, so I don't have to put any Teflon sheet. I got this bag that I made with the Teflon sheet. So we're gonna press it for 25 seconds. That's a long time. That's a really long time.
Taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you.
25 seconds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this towel, just kind of to like, you know, get rid of some of the heat. And I'm gonna try to pick it up and see if it's hot peel. Huh, looks like a hot peel. There you go, that's perfect. Look at that, it's perfect release. That's really, really good. Amazingly. Nice. And then he said, we're gonna press it for another 10 seconds. There you go, that's pretty good. That's really good actually. Oh wow. It's very, very nice. Normally I can feel the print on this one. It's very smooth, very, very smooth. So in the back I want to do this. This one says never stop the hustle. And the reason why I want to do this one is because it's just lines. If you can see that, there's just outlines. So outlines are gonna be very tricky to press. So if it fails, it's gonna be on these outlines. So let's check it out. Let's see if let me find the center on this one, because on this one I don't know. There you go, right there. But I want to bring it all the way up. There you go. So now let's check it and see if it's an actual hot peel. This is where, if it fails, this is where it's gonna fail. Nope, look at that. Perfect release. Really, really good, I'm impressed. There's little drops in there, but normally those always fail. You know, those little itty bitty dots. Usually those with DTF, they always fail. So not too crazy about that. But yeah, that looks really good. Looks like Rye's doing something something right. Okay, so for my daughter, I'm gonna do this little sloth. Which way is it? Like, it looks like it's missing something right here. And I think that's how it goes. I have no idea if that's how it goes. So I'm bringing back this tool right here because I want to see that the lines are straight, and they are.
Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went into the way. I'm okay. I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even want to talk.
Usually we run this towel on top of it. Any towel, you can use whatever. And that's to cool it down faster. So let me see if it'll release. There you go. Yeah, but look at that. It's releasing perfectly fine. That's really good. Really, really good. So let's press it again for another 10 seconds.
Thoughts like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh, I never when I knew not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like
Oops, that one got stuck. But there you go. That is really cool. That is really, really nice. I know somebody's gonna be asking me about this jig. We stopped selling it because the acrylic tripled in price. So I might bring it back because a lot of people are asking me for it. But right now we're sold out. Again, I might bring it back and just sell just this right here and the ruler. This right here. I might just sell this. Because again, the acrylic went up so high that I stopped buying it. I thought it was way too much money, so. There you go. See that? I mean, it's like, This thing is so, I don't know, it's really, really good. I like it. Just press it for that 10 seconds. There you go. So this one, we're gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna use one of my small logos. So this is a really cool trick. If you guys wanna press something and the color's in the way and you wanna press it right there, use a foam, piece of foam. The only thing is that you have to cover the foam because sometimes it transfers stuff over to the shirts, but in this case, I'm gonna leave it just like that and watch. I'm gonna place that on top of the color. And what I mean by is see how it's imprinting the color? That doesn't let anything stick correctly. But if you put a piece of foam underneath, it works really good.
It's yours, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see sun coming out of that rain. My day really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside.
There you go, and watch. You'll see how it. Let's run this so it'll dissipate some of the heat. So watch. Wow, that is really good. This is some really good transfers. I'm gonna show you, hopefully you can see a close-up, but look at those letters. And it's hot. Look at them letters, they're so tiny. The letters are very, very tiny, and they, I mean, especially for them to be on top of the color. For those of you that press vinyl, you'll know that when there's something like a fold or something underneath it, it won't stick. But see that one, I'm not having any problem. That's what I'm saying. If you're pressing over a fold or over the neck and the back of the neck, or even sleeves, do this little trick with the foam. Do that trick with the foam, and it'll work perfectly.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away.
So that's it for this video, guys. Honestly, I am very impressed with the way this transfers worked. Guys, if you guys are looking for DTF transfers, make sure you hit up Rye Beats. Again, I'm gonna put his email address either here or here so you guys can get a hold of him. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. This was actually a very, very fun video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye. God bless you. I will see you later. Bye bye.